Hey, this is a quick video to show you how to make difficult cuts when you're doing baseboard molding and you have a cutting saw there and you don't want to use a weird angle finder or do a lot of math or whatever. So anyway, you get two pieces of paper equal thickness and long enough to go past the actual cut. So there's a piece of paper, there's a piece of paper. I made a bunch of extra pieces of paper. Ordinarily I like to use index cards and cut them up, use them because they're thick and rigid and you can cut along the line and get two equal pieces of paper. But I don't have that, so I just use some scrap paper. So anyway, you're basically going to put it up to your corner, and when you put these two pieces of paper together, you want to make sure that you get the point of each piece of paper the same. And then basically you're going to tape them together and you're going to label them. Obviously this is the first wall and that's the second wall. And so now you have a perfect template of your angle that you need to cut it. Then basically you're going to cut this, make a line and cut from this point to this point here, straight line. So then that will give you your cutting template for this side and your cutting template for this side. I've already made an extra one. And at that point, then you put it up to your miter box saw, and then you adjust your saw so it's the right angle you need to make the cut. And then you're going to take this piece of baseboard molding, you're going to take it and flip it up so you're cutting it that way. So run it in there so the whole length is up and down. And then it's basically going to make a perfect cut of your difficult angle. Okay. The other thing you want to do is you want to start with a piece of molding that is longer than the wall it's going on. Okay. And what you want to do is you only want to cut this wall cut once, and back there in the corner you just have a straight end cut. And so basically if it's too long, just start taking little cuts off that straight end cut rather than having to do this difficult cut more than once. And boom, that's the easiest way to do it, and quickest and accurate. And then in turn, when you have to make the other cut, then you use this side of the template to then in turn cut that piece of molding on the side. So that's that. Pretty simple, easy, takes all the guesswork out of it. Have a good day.